How to delete a public profile on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can delete your public profile on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe you created a public profile on Snapchat before, and now that you actually want to delete it, how can you do that? Well, in order to do that, all you have to do is go ahead and open the Snapchat application. Then once you open the Snapchat app, all you have to do is just tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen, and once you tap on the profile icon here, you just need to scroll and then look for the option called public profile, and you can see my public profile is actually present. So for that, all you have to do is just tap on it, and then all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom, or you can just tap on the three dots icon from the top right and scroll down. Then you will find the option called delete public profile. Then just tap on the delete public profile button. It will ask you for a confirmation. Snapchatters will also no longer be able to see your name and snaps you send to Spotlight or Snap Map, so just tap on the delete button. Once you tap on delete, your Snapchat public profile is going to be successfully deleted. And this is how you can delete your public profile on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you though, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.